So this is what I want to do. So for this design, I'll literally look at it and just like replicate, no long cap, so to speak. So let me open it with another app and be looking at it interchangeably. Okay. So I'll pull out my Agbada templates. Let me see. You see equal spacing. Those are the things you want to look out for. Equal spacing. What is this place? Equal spacing, and then just use the default length and width. And so these ones are about the same sizes. So let's cook. Control O. CRA brown. Paste it here. Shift L. I don't know if I want to bring this one up a bit. Control S. Let me save it as IMX TN. TN means tonight. So I just save names based on how the energy comes to me. So let me create this structure. That will help me to like do all this blah blah blah. So we need like 1, 2, 3, 4. They are actually entering each other. We edit that. But for now I need four boxes. Excuse me. I need something uniform. Are you sure they are going to be uniform? Let's just say by 3.69. So that will be complete square. Yeah. Convert it to filling. So I want to do that brown first. Let me use black now. Fill stitch. Program tatami. Partition line 02. Complex fill 90 degrees. That should make it turn the other way. Oh, this one is supposed to be 0, so it should be facing here. Control S. So let me, I want to do something like this, then we'll resize. Oh, it's actually starting around when you come up a bit. See, so let me use this line. So when you come up a bit, so around here, so around this line, that's where this should be, right? And as for the spacing, maybe just half of it. Is this about half? Yes, like half of it. So like this. So I'm going to duplicate, and then the next one is going to be something like this. I'm coming there to highlight it, and it will be, yeah, change the 90. So so let me bring this here first, so that we can see how this one actually enters it. Okay, up next is let me bring it just a little bit more here. So up next is this guy again. Duplicate, bring it about here. Yes, it's stepping on this guy, so to speak. And of course the last one will follow suit. And yeah, just it's a basic repetition. So let me delete this and just repeat this guy. Control D, and once I have this line there, I can be sure No, the space has to be like half of it. It has to be like straight down like this, if I'm right. Yes. Okay. I'm trying to see if this inverse of, let me duplicate it first and mirror it in Y, mirror it in X axis. You just look for signs of repetition and just go with it. You see? So this line should actually align with this. So let's go and see. It's passing here, it's passing here. Yes, okay. Oh, one more. A little bit more down. Okay. You're looking too close here. Let me group this. So this one still ends with one black like that here on group. So I deliberately duplicated it too so that once this one aligns with this, I can be sure that the black has aligned, and I'll now take out this complementary guy. Okay. So all on all, bring this one here. So which means everything should actually enter here at end. Let us adjust that by selecting all of this. Oh, I thought I grouped this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ctrl G to group. So if I resize this one, that means I'll do the same for this. Yes, this one should look like. Try to hand this is tiny enough now. Ctrl S. So let me group this, duplicate, and bring it here. So which means this is what the standard size of this place should also be like. Only that it will not have this guy, right? Group, delete. So actually this overlapping, it's minor, and I actually want to, let me see. No, okay. I'll select black and flatten it in gold, since black is the one up. Let me do that. Let me ungroup everything. So I'm going to view by color is orange. Orange will be done first. Show, then you come last. Lock it. So group. Let me duplicate that black and select this, then flatten it to it. So it has cut out all those small spacing, so it can start. So I'll now take out this pink and delete. So I don't want to like mess with the original design black, so that the orientation and stitches will not be affected. So let's finish this up. So let's start highlighting. But for this box, we are fortunate we can just do it like this and it will work. Same thing applies to this guy. Yeah. Okay. So I want to come here, just press highlight, put a control point passing through this. One more here, delete these three, press enter. Do the same for this. Put one here. I'll put one here. Use another one to bring it here. Use another to bring it here. Sorry, is this a line? Okay. It's confusing. I wanted to line. Okay, so with that we are almost done. Excuse me. Of this period where I did record this video. Okay, let me just pick this color and trace this round, so to speak. Where should I start from? Let me start from here. Let me go in there so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. So I want it to be close enough. Let's say we just close enough to it. So look at that down part. I think there's one funny sketch to it. Go up a bit, right? Okay, so that was just going straight to Zumba Embroidery way. Yeah, okay. So we have this structure. We are still going to use this. We are not using this guy. Delete. So up next is okay. I duplicate this. I also duplicate this. Convert it to pencil. Select this and give it a complex fill. Same with this. Now use the upper one to cut out space in the lower one, that is flattening. Take this one out, save, and resequence, send it all the way up. So I want to go to the properties, motif fill. There's one I came across in the afternoon and I love. So I mean, this is not clear enough, so you need to get something similar to it. There's shapes 28, yeah. So let me just use this guy. If we give feeling to it, it will be very nice. So it's looking good, right? But we want to cut out all these spaces. You see, if we delete this, the space is still there. So we need to cut out. So machine will just like do that filling here and need to reduce this down. So we need to go black and gold. Let me duplicate the two. Give it maybe another color entirely. So use this blue to flatten into this flatten. So to just cut out all those spaces, take out all these tiny lines. So it's only cut out the spaces for that, and you see the stage count has gone all the way down by almost 20,000 stages. So if you ask me, I'll say we are done with this. But I know you will ask me because obviously we are done. Uh, is that right? Right. And color arrangements looks good. Uh, so I'll just capture the bitmap. Not gonna look, or better still, let me just use the normal background, mix a color. This one is the same as the background color, so yeah. So I want to put my text to it, at least just for the image rather. Okay, so I want to cut this Agbada, so just look at me. Let me check the practice of this. 10 by 23.8. I'll make this 24. Save it. So control. I'll select all of this. I'll copy. Go to a new page. Paste it there. Shift L. So now I want to cut it around here. So let me just use this guy to draw a line. So let me redraw this. Select. Why I'm redrawing is because it does not come with original properties if I just use this line to cut it through. So let me pick a random color and do the easier parts first. Make sure it passes through that center to enable you get a perfect result, because once they are joining it, you should be able to like join perfectly such that you won't even know that it was joined. So I want to save it. IMX I think TN cut. So up next I'll just use this line to cut this filling. Select the filling, select the line. Instead of flattening it will be divide. So this gray line too will be divided by this, while this will be divided by, so it's cross multiplication. Okay, I shouldn't have deleted that yet, but I still see that segment, so just move it up and you have successfully separated them. So let me delete the original lines here. Yeah, you have cut this out. Let me check for the properties. 10.1, make it 10. Make it 10 as well. can now return the color this to it. So thank you for staying through and not sleeping off. So I'll see you in the next one.